Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I don't have my granddaughter, which I had in my last video, but I might have her again while it's summer, again once or twice. But today I am sharing a Memorial Day haul. I have more coming. Kind of went a little crazy on Memorial weekend. But I have a haul from Sephora and a few things from Amazon. So I'm going to share that today. So let's just get to it. Okay, friends, where do I start? I think I'm going to start with my face, my serums, and with my Sephora haul. Now, I picked up this Glow Recipe. This is the Blur and Smooth Duo. They were full size. I think on here this set said it was a $40 special, but it was on sale for $30, I believe, on Sephora. So I like that they're full size. It had a moisturizer in it. This is the moisturizer, and then it has a blurring drops. And this is supposed to be like a primer. So I did use these two, but before I use these two, I want to show you, a lot of times I'll put more than one serum or different serums on, but I just used the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Pump Cream. I used that, and I used the eye cream. So I used those two first, and then I used these two items. Now I'm going to tell you, Glow Recipe is fabulous brand. Everything feels so good on my face. Everything went on so smooth. I love the feel of it. I love the smell of it. So this is a win. I don't know if it's still on sale, but I would not hesitate to pick this up. I have a feeling they're going to end up being favorites of mine. So anyway, that was my base. Now, I guess I'm going to go in order of some of the products I use. So I'm going to switch over to Amazon, and from Amazon I got from Catrice, this is the HD Liquid Coverage. It's a foundation, and there's a look at what it is. I happened to pick up the perfect color for me. I heard good reviews about it, so I decided I would try it, and actually really like it. You guys know I'm an Estee Lauder fan, and they had this on sale at Sephora, so I also picked this up. It was $39 versus $52 is what I usually pay for it. So I have enough Estee Lauder now to last me the year, I think. So that was kind of, I don't know, I just picked it up because it was on sale, although I like to get my foundation when Estee Lauder has one of their sales free gift with purchase, which I actually showed. If you haven't seen that video, go back and look at it a couple videos back. I got the cutest bag. It was so cute with some free gifts from Estee Lauder. But anyway, this came from Sephora on sale. Don't know if it's still on sale, but if it is, it's a great price. This Catrice right here that I used, this is only at like a $10 foundation. I got it on Amazon. I heard good things, like I said, so I just wanted to try it, and I love it. So anyway, I like the look it gave me. Before I put this on, I got a product from Sephora. Look at this. Yay. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide. These are the Hue Drops. They're the bronze drops. And I put this on and absolutely loved it. I think I love anything Glow Recipe. I'm a fan of Glow Recipe. So it's darker than I thought. So let me show you. I don't want to waste a lot. So there's just a little drop of it, and I'll show you kind of what rub it in. You can see it just kind of gives you it can give you a little bit of a tan or a bronze look. So I liked that. I thought about mixing it with my foundation, but I decided just to use this underneath, and I liked the look I had prior to my foundation. So anyway, I did that. So the next thing I kind of skipped over something I did, but I'll get back to that. So the next thing I have here from Sephora, I picked up 2 of the Natasha Denona mini eye palettes. Now, these eye palettes, I got the, let's see which one this one is. Okay, I got the mini Biba palette, which is this one. And I'm actually wearing this one right now. And I got the mini Starlight palette. And that's this one. So I love Natasha Denona formulas. I love this formula. So I still have a sore in my eye here. I have to kind of smooth it out. But anyway, these are great. The only thing that I was disappointed in when they say mini palettes, I didn't know they were going to be mini from this. So they're definitely mini. I thought I was getting this size palette. And they're still kind of, I mean, they're pricey. These are $27, but this one was $21. So I got it on sale, and that's one of the reasons why I picked it up. I'd been eyeing it, so I picked it up. I think these are great though for travel because you can get your whole look, you know, one eye look. Now I used 4 of the 5 colors today for my look. So this is not the one I used. I used the Biba palette, and they're actually similar. So I used this color all over my lid. I used this color in the crease. I used this color to darken in my edges. And then I used this color on the lid, on the lower lid. So there we go. So I am happy with those, even though they're smaller than I thought they'd be. They'll be great to take to travel with or whatever. So I'm not complaining. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I got that I used, I didn't get anything blush or bronze because I get so many of those products. I got a lot in my BoxyCharm and my Icon box, and so I have an abundance of those items, so I didn't purchase any of those this time. So I used some of my good old faithful for my face palette. Now for the lips, let me show you. Well, I did buy the Sephora. I love this gloss. I've showed it before. I got it in a different color. I think I have 3 of these now. All fabulous colors. I like the way they go on. They're just fun, extra to have. Now, Sephora products were on sale. I think these are normally like $10, and I got this for $5. So it was kind of a deal. So picked that up, and I think the color I really wanted, they were out of, but this color looks just me. It looks very me. So anyway, what I did use and get is I did end up picking up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip kit. Now this is a mini kit, but I love the colors in this. It's a little bit darker lip than I have some Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't have this color. This is, let's see what it says here. The Pillow Talk lip kit, lip cheat, Pillow Talk in 2 medium, and the Matte Revolution Pillow Talk in 2 medium. So both of them, the liner is in 2 medium, and the lipstick, which is tiny. I don't go through lipstick that fast though, but I really like this. So the color, like I said, is dark, kind of darker than some of the other Pillow Talks I have. So I think it's coming on. It's looking a little bit reddish on camera, but it's not really. It's just more of a mauve, a dark mauve-y color. And then on top of it, this, I did pick up an OS. This was on sale. It was an OS lip product. Now, if you watched my Ipsy, my Icon box, I did get one of these in my Icon box, but it was kind of funny. The color was way off for me. It was horrible. And I was really disappointed. So when I saw this one, I'm like, this is my color, and it is. It's exactly my color. So I went ahead and got this. I put this, just the gloss only side. I did put that a little bit over my, just to give me a gloss on top of my Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm excited about this. I am going to do a one size try on. I'm just waiting for a package. I went ahead and purchased some items from one size to complete a look for me. I got 5 products in my 5 one size products in my Ipsy icon box. So I was excited about that because I've been wanting to try this brand. I already owned one, and then I picked up like 4 more items. So I'm going to have a full look of one size coming up. So I'm excited, and I can use this full double-sided product. So anyway, the one I got from Ipsy, I can only use one side, the gloss side. The other side was horrible for me, just horrible. But anyway, so there's that. And where are we? I don't miss anything. So I went over, I've got all these lip products, okay? I got the two eyeshadows from natashadenova. Great formulas, great products, really happy with those. I got the foundation just to keep a back stock on hand of my Estee Lauder that was on sale. I got the Glow Recipe to add to my collection. I already have several Glow Recipe products, so that was good. And that's where we're at so far, but I have more to show. Okay, so I am going to show you, which I probably should have showed you first, but some of the samples, I forget. Okay, so I have been going, because I spend so much time on my orders from Sephora, because I'm like real meticulous that I have to check everything out, read reviews, and do all that. And so by the time I get to checkout, I forget to do the ad. To put on my, I'm not going to do this anymore, but anyway, to do my freebies, my little freebie samples. But I happen to get this Valentino Coral. It's the Viva de Roma Coral Fantasy. I lost the bottle somewhere. I know it's somewhere in my mess. If I could show you my mess here from filming. I don't always clean it up right after I film. Sometimes I'll have 2 or 3 filmings and stuff all over the place. But anyway, I will find it again. But I love this so much that I might have it replace my next my Flower Balm purchase, because I love Flower Balm from Victor Rolf. But this was really good. Have you smelled it? Tell me what you think if you have. And anyway, I might have to add that to my perfume. I always like expensive perfumes, unfortunately. So that was a sample. I also got from what is it? EyeScream Beauty. This is just a moisturizer. Okay, so we're using some of my points. I used 100 points to get this Tula face wash, which is my favorite. I use this every day. Also some Amika hair. I thought these 2 were great sizes for travel, so I don't have to take my big ones or whatever. So I picked those up for 100 points each. I have a lot of points right now, so keep spending at Sephora. You're going to keep getting points. And also over Memorial Day weekend, they had, if you spend $75, you get 500 extra points. And so I think I did that twice. I don't know. But anyway, I looked on my thing and I'm like, wow, I have a lot of points. So also for 100 points, I got this Drunkelephant. This is a night serum. So it's small, but anyway, it's when you have that many points, it's fun to be able to use them to pick up these small items or sample type items. So the next thing I'm going to show you, I have 2 more things, and they are from Amazon. Let me make sure I got everything here. Now, I picked up these. I've been wanting something to separate my eyelashes. So I picked up this little kit. It has a couple of I know it's like you're going to poke your eye out. I don't care. I use these really carefully, but I use these for my eyes. Now they have, there's other purposes you can use it for, but supposedly this is supposed to brush your eyelashes on this side. And then the other side is, you can just use it to separate. So there you go. There was 2 in the package. So I've been kind of wanting to pick some of those up. So there's that. You can also use it if you want to use it like as a toothpick or whatever. You could do that too. So I got a colorful one and a silver one. So there's that. I will put the links for my Amazon things down below, my items from Amazon. And I guess I could do Sephora ones too. Okay, the last thing I got from Amazon, but it was a mistake. So I got the St. Tropez. This is the Self Tan Purify. I thought it was the spray. I really wanted the spray, but this is the foam. But actually, so it's like this, but it goes on so smooth like water. Oh, you can see that. It just, and it doesn't, I don't think it would streak because the way it's made to go on. It covers the skin. It covers the skin really well. So anyway, I'm not going to complain about it. I might still pick up the spray. I did do research on these, and I think what happened is I had been looking at different ones, and on Amazon you always try to find the one you can get the cheapest, and I think I was looking at both the spray and ended up looking at the foam thinking it was a spray and picked it up. But anyway, I will use it, so I'm happy about it. Put a little bit on my shoulders, my chest. I actually put some on my face too before I did everything else. So anyway, we'll see what happens. So we'll see now. I'll see if this hand ends up going darker than this hand. That'll really tell us, right? So I think I just have one more item, and this one I'm going to throw in a Temu item. Now, I do not like Temu makeup, I'll be honest. I've bought it before. Some things are great, and I wish I would have brought it in. They have a lip oil that's just, it's a dupe of the Dior, and seriously, I love it. It was a good buy. That was one thing from Temu I really liked. Maybe I'll share that in the future and I can give a link to that or whatever. But I picked up, this just showed up and I ended up picking up, it's a highlighter palette, and I think it was like $2 or something, seriously. But look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So it's got the 4 colors. So there's the 4 colors right there. So anyway, I like it. So so it was cheap and it was fun. So this might be a win. It might be something I'll end up using. So I'm kind of glad I picked it up. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a smaller. Sometimes you never know with Temu. Most of the time they're smaller than what they look like. And then every once in a while they'll be big or giant. I had that happen with earrings. I thought they were going to be small and they were like really long. So anyway, you just never know. You have to read really closely and check out the sizes. A lot of times they'll have the sizes on the side. That's a tip from Temu. I don't know. I have done enough Temu shopping that I could probably give tips. So if you're interested in that, let me know. But I was telling a friend the other day about what to do and not to do with Temu ordering. But anyway, that was my one Temu item. I'm not going to call this a Temu haul by any means. This was all about Sephora and Amazon, a few things from Amazon, but mostly Sephora. So happy with all my glow recipe and everything. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the items I got? And I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.